This right here is Snapple Rain. Now, they released this in the early 2000s in a glass bottle, which I will show right here. The thing is that they decided to change it, and they moved it, the same product, into aluminum cans, which made it taste dreadful. So then, I think in an effort to save money, they went to plastic, in which case it still tastes like dog shit. However, everything's in the preparation. So, I have myself, and these are terribly hard to find too. I got myself 2 bottles here, and I have a nice frosty mug. It's beautiful. Believe it or not, this has got to be some of the most refreshing shit you've ever had. So long as it comes out of glass, it's absolutely delicious. Snapple Rain. If you can find this elusive gemstone, then drink it on glass.